You're live. You're live.
Oh, yeah, dude. So check this out. We can go into Kentucky, right?
You want your yard to turn into a shithole like this? Call up Nick at Stars and Stripes on maintenance. Number's 518-832-9817.
We gotta carry all this back to the hotel, and we only got 2 hands and a backpack.
And a water, too.
We're here just watching these people
Chop down trees.
chop down trees with Doof
Wow.
and Buddy Broom. Yeah, we're on a freaking lift. There's the operator controls going down. How cool is this? Equip Expo 2023. Heck yeah.
Cast up, addicted to the shindig. Top top, he says I'm gonna win big. Cast up, addicted to the shindig. Top top, he says I'm gonna win big. Cast up.
Yo, what time is it, dude? What time is it?
Speaking 11:20. Stuck in Baltimore.
Here with Mag Long Landscape. State your name and occupation.
Nate Bramlich, Pro Edger.
And I'm Nick, Master Video Editor. What the hell? How do I find him? Doof, you think we got a lot of hats on this trip?
No.
Who's the chase?
We don't have enough hats. I only have 20 hats right now.
Yeah, I got a few too.